when the snow comes down from the Father in heaven, do not return there but the water on earth. Bright forth, giving a seed to the soul, bread to the eater. I want to address you under this topic. Being fruitful in a dry land and season. Being fruitful in a dry land and season. We like it or not, situations happen. Even family situations happen. In the church things happen. And lead us to live in the dry land. And when we experience dryness, we tend to say God is not there. But I am here to declare, and I announce this morning that the heavens are here. Whatever He will send rain and snow. Let me tell you, when the rain of God comes, it does not matter what time of the season. It does not matter whether it's dry or wet. But what I know, that as it rains, something on the ground is about to come. And when it hangs on the ground, we are able to see the goodness of the Lord, the power of the Lord, the strength of the Lord, the grace of the Lord, the favor of the Lord. I am declaring this morning that as the rain comes, you shall be blessed. You are growing where you have been suppressed. You are germinating because the rain of the Lord has touched this morning. And where you are, you shall multiply. And where you are, you shall grow. And where you are, things are beginning to happen. Things are beginning to shake. Things are beginning to outgrow. May the Lord bless you. May the strength of the Lord be upon your life. The Bible says, not only the rain, but rain will come. Snow will come. And as snow comes, it does not mean it's coming to destroy you. As it destroys others, but we are enough. Because you belong to God. You belong to my Father. If you damage outside, but the seed is beginning to grow in the name of Jesus. As the seeds grow, power is invested in your life. Your grace is invested in your life. Your anointing is invested in your life. May God give you the new anointing. Let it be fresh in your season, in your time. As hail destroys others, I pray let your grace that is upon you be not destroyed in your children, in the sons and daughters, but it be the rain that protects, that builds, that strengthens, that takes people to go, that makes people to be serious about that makes people to grow and move in the things of fruitfulness. Not everyone has that grace. In order for you to be fruitful, there are few things that are required. If you are a